Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest notifications and stop getting push alerts every time a creator you follow adds a new pin, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to disable push alerts for new pins from creators on Pinterest. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your personalized settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see all your boards and pins. At the top of your profile page, tap on your profile picture again. This action will open up your account options and settings. Here, you'll find everything you need to customize your Pinterest experience. Next, look for the notification option in the menu. Tap on it to enter your notification settings. This section allows you to manage all the alerts Pinterest sends to your device, from activity updates to reminders and more. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Activity from Creators. Under this section, you'll see an option called New Pins from creators you follow. Tap on this to view the specific notification controls for new pins. Here's where you can make the change you've been looking for. You'll see a toggle switch next to the push option. Simply switch this toggle off. Once you do, Pinterest will stop sending you push notifications whenever creators you follow post new pins. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully disabled push alerts for new pins from creators you follow on Pinterest. You'll still be able to browse new content at your own pace, without the interruption of constant notifications. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other guides for more tips on managing your social media apps efficiently.